This is why most people, after installation, they still have most of their complaint about them not having the reliable light they are having, especially during rainy season, cloudy days. The installer just tell you you need 2.5 kVA inverter, you need 6 panel, and you need two lithium battery. How did they know this? They did not mention why they know all this. They just say this because they believe two-bedroom flat is supposed to have this most of this equipment. But that is wrong. Most installers does not calculate the amount of light they are using each time you are using it. How many time you are going to be using it. The time, if it's 8 hours you are going to be using the light, they should give you. If your television are carrying more light, most of them believe all two-bedroom flat are carrying the same light, but that is wrong. Not all two-bedroom flat are carrying the same light. Some have bigger fridge, some have smaller fridge, some have bigger television, some have smaller television. And all of this affects each level in fixing solar installation. So when they give you a guest price, a guest inverter or a guest panel, you suffer from light later at it. You need to learn this. Making the bad financial mistake in this will make you lose money without you getting the positive result you want. One little advice I have is that do not just buy more panel again, because buying more panel is just like you decorating your house with more zinc with more panel, because panel does not generate light. Panel just charge only the batteries, and the battery powers the inverter. The inverter generate the light your house need, because the panel and the battery are both DC current. The battery is just like the one storing the energy. The panel is the one just like a fuel that powers the battery. The battery stores the energy the panel have brought out. So it stores the light so that you can might use it later at night when there is no sun. And then the inverter turn it into the AC, because most of your appliances at home does not accept DC current, because then so the inverter turn them into AC current. And the inverter also have a capacity of carrying things. The inverter is the one that carry most of the appliances. So when it starts carrying more than what is generating, more than what the house is consuming, it kills the inverter very fast. Most installer will never tell you this. You know why? They want you to want most of this to spoil so that you can charge, they can charge you and charge you and charge you always. Another little advice is to have a hybrid electricity where you have both solar and other diesel generators, because if you have both of these you won't be suffering from light, especially the type that consume light always. Maybe you are using light to make more money, because if you have this it will save you more money. Like some business people that maybe like company that use their fish and other things, you have both generator and solar. Why? Because this will save you money. Each time your light off it make you lose a lot of money, because if your light off for 1 hour most fish die, and these are truth. Another one is solar can also be a liability to you if you are buying a solar because of fancy use, or because other people are buying it, or you have more money in your hand. No, you should buy solar because you know that it's going to be saving you money, because you are consuming a lot of light and you are using that light for something. Your main goals is not to have a solar panel or solar in your house. Your main goals is for you to avoid the tax you are paying for generator every day, where you pay money every day 3,000, sometimes weekly you spend 20,000 on fuel. So if you have an inverter, it save you those money. And do not just guess that solar save you a lot of money. I'll be showing you how to calculate most of this in my next topic. How to calculate the amount of light you are going to be using in your house. not just random guess or because you look that solar will save you money.